The NOHRD Bike was the first cardio equipment under the brand of NOHRD. It was always clear that it must be something outstanding, something extraordinary, something that the market has not seen till then. So it was clear we want to make a wooden bike that looks very sleek, very design-oriented, and we quickly came to the conclusion that the drive mechanism needs to be as compact as possible. And then the idea of the planetary gearbox came around.
It had to be completely free of any maintenance. It had to be exceptionally quiet during operation and incredibly robust and durable. An immense amount of time and effort was dedicated to the process of designing the gears. It's a special design made especially for us. Thanks to the compactness of the planetary gear, we were able to design it the way it is now.
A lot of it involves manual work. With the CNC, there are several hands involved. Then it goes through the gluing process into the sanding workshop. Also, a few individual parts still have to be installed, which are permanently built into the frame. Naturally, that's all a bit tricky and also relatively labor-intensive.
You have the wheels on it, you can bring it outside and use it outside. Here we have the Pro model with a bigger screen. We have scenery rides, so you can just easily have a nice tour on the beach. There are also cycling classes. Yeah, you can do an indoor cycling class. We have the V2 version with a small screen integrated in the handlebar, and also the regular one without a screen, and you connect it to your phone or tablet if you want to use the NOHRD Connect app.
And the working title, by the way, of the NOHRD Bike back then was called the Heron Bike, because the shape of the bike looks like a heron standing in a river. We have this fantastic looking, compact, high quality bike that can be perfectly put into a home, into a nice place. You don't have to hide it. It's something that you can show, and we're very, very proud of our NOHRD Bike.